In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a nose in just 5 seconds. But let's dive deeper into why small, consistent changes in your art practice can make a huge difference. You might think that achieving artistic mastery requires one major breakthrough, but it's actually the small daily improvements that make the biggest impact. Instead of waiting for a single moment of inspiration, focus on making tiny improvements each day. For example, practicing a small drawing technique just 1% better each day can lead to significant improvements over time. Conversely, skipping practice or not focusing on details even a little bit each day can slow your progress. Small changes in your art practice build up over time. For instance, improving a little bit each day can lead to almost 38 times better results after a year. Artistic progress often happens slowly. Imagine a sculpture gradually taking shape from a block of marble. The changes may seem minimal at first, but with persistent effort, the final masterpiece emerges. Many artists give up before seeing the results because they don't notice immediate changes. Keep going even when progress seems slow. To success as an artist, focus on your daily practice and make small improvements consistently. Goals are important, but they need to be supported by effective techniques and habits. Good artistic habits and a strong practice routine are the keys to long-term success in art. So, small daily improvements in your art practice lead to significant long-term results. Artistic skills build up like compound interest, so consistent effort is crucial. Progress can be gradual, but persistence will pay off. Focus on creating effective artistic process rather than just setting goals. Good habits and daily practice are the keys to lasting artistic success.